This is an emergency tire repair kit. It's called Slime. And it comes with a gauge, a flashlight, tire repair, pluggers, tire caps. That's what's actually in the tire, keeping the air in. This key unscrews that little thing. So that's real delicate. They give you additional one in the kit just in case you break it. This is additional gauge, but this is your main gauge. So you use the main gauge instead of the small one. This emergency battery charger, jumping cables, and that key is very important to this little thing right here. So don't lose the key. Okay, the whole kit is called Slime. And this is actual slime you put in the tire. And I'm going to show you how to do that using this little thing right here, this key, and the key is very important, so don't lose it. The caps are important as well. And once again, it's called Slime Tire Sealant. And this is the little case that it comes in. So once you finish, put it back in this case to keep everything. Okay, for some reason, when it gets cold, my tires start to lose air. So I bought this machine, Tire Sealant, and it seems to work. And flat tire repair kit, but in my case, it's just losing air, so it's gonna seal whatever little leak it is. And plug it into. You're gonna take this portion and plug it into the cigarette lighter. Okay. And then there's an on and off switch right here. It's a little noise. That opens it up when that green stuff is in there. That opens it up. And you can see the pin that's in the, see that little pin? That comes out with the using the key. So I just learned to turn it off. There's a light on. Finish it up with the electric. Now this, I was moving so fast, I forgot to tell you, you have to let all the air out of the tire. Then squeeze the green goop in. Use the key to put that little thing back. And then use the air compressor. And that's how it works. All of the instructions comes with it if you forget anything. So just keep the kit, keep the instructions. And it'll be de-icer, a water bottle for emergencies. There's another air thing that came with the car right there. Jumper cables and my slime. Okay, thank you.